जो है वो मुसलसल रहनी चाहिए अगले 10 साल तक के लिए। वेल डन वली। 2 अरब 35 करोड़ रुपए।
45
245, माई अपॉलॉजीज। 2 अरब 45 करोड़ रुपए। ऑल राइट जनाब, मेरा ख्याल है 30 सेकंड की घड़ी एक दफा फिर चलाई जाए। 30 सेकंड स्टार्ट्स नाउ। The last opportunity for the next 10 years to own an HBL PSL team. एक नहायत ही बड़ी बिड आ चुकी है वली की तरफ से। 20 सेकंड आखिरी मौका है। 15 सेकंड आखिरी मौका अगले 10 साल के लिए। 10 सेकंड गोइंग वंस। रोका जाए। मेरी ख्वाहिश नहीं पूरी होगी क्या? ये
टाइम आउट।
स्ट्रेटेजिक टाइम आउट आ गया जनाब सीडी वेंचर्स की तरफ से। स्ट्रेटेजिक टाइम आउट हो गया है और उनके एक साहब जो हैं वो अचानक
मेरा ख्याल है probably going to make a call.
No, it is important because you know this is a strategic time.
Yeah.
Right? Start the
And
clock,
the clock
please.
is
Clock has
now
started.
running.
My apologies. Clock is up. Salman, this is now very, very critical because now I think we are on the business end of things. We're sitting at 2 billion 45 crore rupees.
So we are far past the business end. The business end is a dot to us at this point.
Yeah, I think because this is now getting really, really exciting. And what does this entail now? मैं आपसे, so once an owner takes the team with him, now you get the team. What is the next step? What do they do next? First, they have to do the naming of the team. Team का नाम उन्होंने करना है.
So very interesting this time around. Last time we selected a pool of 6 city names.
Right.
And the bidders, whoever had won, was entitled to pick from one of them. But they also had the option of proposing a different city name, which would be subject to the PCB's approval. और उनके पास आता, they would examine it and then advise. Similarly, इस bid के अंदर भी the team that we're auctioning is Multan, but there is a possibility that the winner comes here and requests the PCB to propose a different name, and that would then be a matter for the PCB to review.
So the owners have that luxury.
The successful bidder.
The successful bidder has that luxury. They can name the team and all that. And then, of course,
मतलब एक दफा हमें propose करेंगे, the PCB will review.
right, PCB will reconsider and then see if it is good. That's amazing.
So
and then you have the players auction coming up in another couple of days, right?
Yes,
so right around the corner.
11th of February. This is same venue.
Yeah.
But we're going to start a little earlier because it's going to be a very long process. Lots of players. I think more than 800 have registered in the players draft auction, and you know it's going to be very exciting and looking
Outstanding,
forward to it.
Salman, I see that CD Ventures के जो साहब थे वो वापस आ गए कंसल्टेशन करके. अब ये इनकी clock है. Do you need the remaining 3 minutes or are you guys, have you come to a conclusion? You have not. You're still discussing? You're still discussing. Continue.
still need that time.
So they carry on. You still have 3 minutes now.
Salman, I have a question. So जो आपने कहा कि नाम बदला जा सकता है, previously the Multan team was called Multan Sultan. तो अभी ये जो team लेके जाएंगे, the new owners can decide a
They will
different name
propose.
altogether?
So they can do 2 things.
Okay.
Either they can continue, well, 3 things. They can continue with Multan Sultans as the name. They can choose to keep Multan and add something else like Multan Sufis. Or they can come and propose another city name and say कि हमें फैसलाबाद चाहिए.
Okay, so you can actually change the city as well.
This is an option which they can propose.
ये तो बड़ा जबरदस्त सा मामला आपने खड़ा कर दिया है.
So
This
ये
is
भी
very
एक
interesting.
element है.
I did not know that. तो तमाम जो दोस्त हमें इस वक्त देख रहे हैं बराह रास्त anywhere in the world, so that's a very good thing that you Salman has just brought up. So आज का जो सक्सेसफुल बिडर है वो उनके पास 3 ऑप्शन है. एक तो ये कि वो मुल्तान सुल्तान का नाम बरकरार रखें, दूसरा ये कि वो मुल्तान की टीम के लिए एक नया नाम दे दें, और तीसरा ये है कि वो पीसीबी से रिक्वेस्ट करें कि हमें कोई और शहर चाहिए, उस शहर के नाम की टीम जो है वो हो सकती है. तो दिस इज जस्ट आउटस्टैंडिंग. दिस इज जस्ट सिंपली फैंटास्टिक.
एक और सवाल फिर आता है कि what about the cities that were still there in the original 6 city pool? उसी में से शहर ले सकते हैं क्योंकि उसमें भी
So हमने ये कदर नहीं लगाई. It is open for them to propose.
Okay.
All right, I think you are needed, Faisal. So sorry, Salman.